Welcome, today we're going to show you how to reinstall Vanguard anti-cheat on Windows 11. So if you have Vanguard anti-cheat installed and you want to uninstall it and reinstall it, the first thing to actually do is to open the Riot client. After that, you need to click on here and see if Vanguard client is here. So if it's here, it will look like this. You can just click on it, and now you can just click on more and click uninstall Vanguard. So if this doesn't actually work with you, you can just click on the start menu from here and then go to the settings. After that, you can go to apps and then you can write add or remove apps, and you will see this option. You can click on it. After that, from here you can just search for Vanguard, and if you want to uninstall it, you can click on it like this and click on uninstall, and it will be fully uninstalled on your device. So now if you want to reinstall it, all you need to do is to just open Riot client as see from here, and you will see that Valorant or any game that you have will have an update. So you can just click on update, and now it will start downloading and installing the Vanguard safety. And now you can just restart your PC because it won't actually let you play before restarting your computer. To do that, you need to just go to the start menu, hit on the power option and click on restart. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.